Alright friends, so I have what I think is the Stray Kids season greetings from Music Plaza, which is where I ordered it from. I'm going to be opening it on camera with you just to get first reactions and to see what I got. I can't remember if there was like pobs with the order, but we'll get there. Alright, so I'm going to open this really quickly as possible without getting cut, because this is really sharp. I don't know where my, oops, my normal box cutter is. Anyways, we're here now. Let's see really quick, get the packaging stuff out of the way. Then, oh yay! It did come with a, set, an OT8 set, if you will. Oh, I love this. It's very like Y2K. I'm obsessed. Okay, and there's nothing else back here. Okay. I love it. Oh my god, look at Johnny. I love this makeup on him. He looked stunning. Stunning. Alright, let me see. Guys, I think I said this in my last haul. I have so many things to catalog and bind, like in my binder. I haven't done anything since, I think, 8. Actually, since Skiz Hop Hip Tape. Like, I haven't done anything since then. I'm a horrible influence, I know. But look at that. They look so cute. I love this. It's giving me, like, Xenon, Girl 21st Century with, like, all this, like, flushy, like, makeup and, like, what is it called? Like, icy. Ugh, that's right up my alley, y'all. I grew up in that era. So, alright, these are going to their potential new home soon. Very obsessed with this packaging. Again, very Y2K. Cosmo Combo. What is it? Starlight Super Club. Snack Me to the Stars. Snack Me to the Stars? What? Starlight Super Club. Season's Greeting. Star Cooling Cosmic Inn. I love that. That's actually kind of cool. Order up your cosmic combo is ready 2026. Huh. And it looks like each item has to do with in relation to the boys. You know, if they were smart, like one labeled would preview like the theme of the coming comeback and the coming like, year for Skiz on their season's greetings. Like, that's smart. I mean, obviously you have to plan out really far out what your themes are and like what your like comeback album is gonna look like. For obviously Skiz does a couple at a year or sometimes more than that, but like this would be such a smart marketing technique. But anyways, be that as it may, fantastic. Let me take off this plastic cover without damaging anything. I love this. So we have, it looks like either an ATM machine. We have a burger. We have a pizza with dinosaurs. That looks like a Han thing. We have a rocket ship. Also could be Han. A hot dog. We have a almost like a Thor situation here. A bag of goodies, question mark. That looks like soup or some type of ramen or some type of black bean something. But yeah, pretty interesting, pretty cool. It's right up my alley. I love it. I'm into it. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the holographic stuff. Like, it's awesome. Oh, it looks like a cereal box. Stop. I just got it. Oh my god, there's a lot. Look. There's a lot of stuff in here. Holy crap, no wonder it's 50 something bucks. I love it. I love this box. I think I'm going to display it somewhere in my room. I'm going to figure that out next time. Or when I have a moment. Okay. What are these? Oh, these are like cutouts. These look so cool. I'm obsessed. Oh my god. Oh my god, the hollow is tripping me out. What the heck? And like, what are those, man? What are those? They're cute. They're cute. Okay, these are so cool. I feel like I want to grab like a little string and like put them on the little hole they have to like string one. Like do a little skiz garland. Oh my gosh. Like a Changbin. That man. Hyunjin. Okay, go away. The hollow is tripping me up. Okay, I need to put it down. It really is like giving me... Yeah, it's tripping me. Anyways, Polas. These are cute. Let's see. I love how they always put them in order of age. So, Chani, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix, Sungmin, and Ian. These are cute. I would almost put these on my phone, on the back of my phone. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see. They have the little babas. Them little micros. I think I have the micros. No, I don't have the micros. I don't think I have the micros. Oh, actually I do. I have them in an order coming up from Music Plaza. Again, these looks. Oh my god, look at the little micro. Look at the little micro Twiggy. He's so cute. Hyunjin and Hani and Felix. Oh my god, Felix. Freaking beautiful boy. Oh my god. Papi M. He's so cute. I love these. These are cool. Alright. So we have a little baggie, a little like coin purse with all the skiju. I'm not gonna open this up right now. But that's cute. And we have the little passport ID pictures, which I actually ordered. I think they're called Meow Cafe. I'll put it on my description down below. They sell, it's like sleeve covers, but for the PCs, but for the passport IDs pictures. So I bought like 2 or 3 packs of them so I can do these, and then I'm gonna start DIYing my own, because I mean, as much as I love to help a small business, I also want to save some money. It wasn't expensive, but I also, you know, why not? But this is cute. I love these photos. Oh, all right. Next, what's this? Probably more photos. I love this packaging. It's so cool. Snack me to the stars. I still can't get over that. Tuesday from Skiz. That's freaking hysterical. I can't wait to see what the theme for the membership is, to see if that comes up to fruition, but we'll see because I haven't mentioned it yet. Oh, they each have a little note. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I love the picture, like the quality of the paper. Nice. Lino. Changbina. Oh, that's cute. I like that. It's giving me jam, right? Am I not? Yeah? Okay. It's giving me jam vibes. Where's Hans Dino? You should have put him up there. He totally would have fit the vibe. Lixie. Minnie. Ian. Oh no, he had an oopsie. Oh no. Those are cute photos. And then we have a pad, which again, I'm not going to open up yet because it's pretty self-explanatory. And we have stickers. Are all the boys here? No, it looks like it's a Hyung line. Or, oh, it's on 2 separate papers. Okay. I was like, wait, was that a thing? No, but it's a Hyung line. So this is a Hyung line, and then there's a Maknae line. Oh, cool. So it looks like there's an alien. Oh my gosh. That's actually would be a sick tattoo. That would be a sick tattoo. I love that. And then there's a little rocket. This also would actually be really cute. I actually like that. These are so cute. Like, I want to use them, but at the same time, I'm like, no, they're collector's items. Alright, and this is the calendar. or the agenda, which I'll be honest, I probably won't use. I will just keep it up, post it up on my desk, and reference it as a thing for dates. Ooh, dates and times and things like that. But other than that, oh, these are so cute. Chani bang, maybe? Question mark. Nani? These are cute. Oh, this thing is sticking to me. Oh my gosh, Lino. I love it. What does Changbin have in his menu? I love that he spelled out his name. That's so him. I don't know what that is. It's probably a Korean food, which I'm not accustomed to yet. Or of. That's a soup. He's the soup guy. Enjoy your meal. Oh, I love it. These are all so cute. Ian. Oh, I love that badge. That's kind of cool. He did a burger. Oh, shoot. Ooh, nice shot. Oh, so finally, I knew this had to be with Bangtan. Lino, Sungmin, and then Ian. See, I was right. Hyunjin is the pizza. Changbin is the burger. Fields is the hot dog, and Han is the rocket. Oh, that's cute. And here, oh my god, I love this. This is so Y2K, like millennial, like peak. I love this. You know what? I may be using it this year. Oh, it's got the monthly and the weekly. Sick. Oh, I love that. Most calendars have like the month view and then like weekly view, but this one has it separated. That's pretty smart. I like that. It's got a bunch of notes and memos. Oh, that's actually really smart. I love it. It's hard cover too. And then here's the desk version, which I will definitely have up on my desk this year. And actually I am late because it's what, 7 days into the year. The first one's Chani. Oh, cool. Love it. Yeah. Cute. Imagine if they put it on February, they put the Skiz movie and we didn't know, but they did. Anyways, it's not there though. So, Lino. And it's Ain's birthday, and then it's Changbin. But it's Hyunjin and Stray Kids' anniversary. Then we have Hyunjin, and it's April. We have Honey, and it's May. We have Lixie. Cute. And then we have Sungmin. And then we have Ian. Oh, he looks cute there. And then it's Changbin's birthday. And then we have a group shot and the Virgo line. And then my birthday's on the 25th. And another group shot. And then it's Chani's birthday and then Mimo's birthday. Another group shot. And the beloved group shot, which I love. Oh, cute. Alright, cool. Alright, I'm going to put this up on my desk as soon as I'm done filming this. And last but not least, poster size, which I also bought sleeves for from a different vendor or shop that does like K-pop merch sleeves. Let's see these. I'm so excited to see these. I'm very happy with all the pictures, and I love the little like things they put in the season's greetings. Very nice. Chan looks like an operator from again, I don't know, because it's the only thing I can reference to an operator from like Xenon the Sequel or Xenon the Girl from the 21st Century, from like that movie era. Changbin. Love him. I love that necklace. I actually might try to recreate that. That's actually kind of cool. Hyunjin. He still had his dark hair. And Hani. Oh, that's cute too. He has pink eye makeup. Love it. And Sungmin. And Baby Ian. Nice. Alright, guys. That was the opening of Stray Kids Starlight Super Club season's greetings for 2026-2027. See you on the next video. Annyeong. I'll put links in the bottom description if you have any questions about anything. If not, you can hit me up on the socials. Bye.